Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ilham Chandra Wibawa, and on this occasion I will present about economic term. And the main problem I will discuss is cost push inflation. Next is definition of cost push inflation. Cost push inflation happen when rising production costs, such as higher wage, raw material price, or supply chain disruption, drive up overall price level as business pass the cost of the consumer. Next is example issue about cost push inflation. In the 1970s, OPEC's oil embargo and production cuts caused a supply shock, rising oil price from $30 to $12 per barrel. This triggered cost push inflation, increasing gas price and production costs for petroleum-dependent industry. Is that of example issue about cost push inflation. Next is cause of cost push inflation. First is rising wage, increased labor costs can compel business to raise price. The second is higher raw material costs. Elevated expense for essential input such as oil or metal drive up production costs. The third is a supply chain disruption. Even like natural disaster or geopolitical tension can disrupt supply chain, leading to shortage and increased costs. The fourth is increased tax and regulation. Now tax or regulatory requirement can add to, to operation expense, prompting hikes. And the last is currency depreciation. A weaker domestic currency makes import more expensive. Rising costs are business reliant on foreign goods. The next is effect of cost inflation on the economy. Reducing purchasing power is a price increase can reduce consumer purchasing power and living standard. The second is increased production cost. Higher costs can reduce business profit, limiting investment and can reduce business growth. The third is a sectoral imbalance. Inflation can affect sector often unevenly, especially raw material industry which are more affected. The fourth is a wage price spiral. Rising wage increase costs, driving price higher is in a continuous cycle. And the next is conclusion about a cost push inflation. Cost push inflation occur when higher production costs rise price. Factors like rising wage, material costs, tax, and exchange rate fluctuation contribute to this. To make informed decisions, individual and business must understand its cause and effect. Inflation erodes purchasing power and affect growth. So, investors should consider assets like stock, real estate, inflation-linked bond, and commodities such as gold. And next is Schumber, the reference. And this is a short of the information I convey. The first is 5paisa.com, the second is investopedia.com, the third is textbook.com. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.